Hello, my friends. I am going to show you today how to write a review in Destiny. Move this over. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to log into Destiny. And you should do that through ClassLink, as always. It is easier through ClassLink. And remember, you don't have to use the ClassLink app. You can use ClassLink by going to the Deer Park ISD homepage and clicking on ClassLink in the upper right-hand corner. Once you are here in ClassLink, you are going to go to the menu button right here and go to History. Now, this needs to be a book that you have checked out through the library, so it won't show up in your history otherwise. So you need to choose a book that you have checked out through our library. Here you can see all the books that I've checked out. You can see I'm a real fan of Minecraft. And you are going to just choose whichever book you want to review. And then you go to Add Review. Notice in the reviews you can choose how many stars you want to give. I didn't like it, it's okay, I like it, I love it, I love it. I loved this book, and I actually typed up my review already, and I'm going to copy and paste. This review right here is, I want to say it's a little more than 100 words. I think it was around 150 words maybe. But you can see that it's 694 characters out of 2,000. You can write a lot longer review, but you don't have to. I would recommend around 100 words. If you want a word count, write your review in Word and then copy and paste into this text box. You're going to leave this field blank, URL for digital review, leave that blank. The title for digital review, leave that blank. So that's all you need to do is give it however many stars out of 5 and give your review. Now, just like last month, you do have questions to answer. So these are posted with the assignment in Canvas. You need to answer these questions about the book in order for your review to be complete. Remember, I don't want number 1. This is a horror story. Number 2, the main characters are, that's not what I want. I want a paragraph. Make it a beautiful paragraph, put it all together. Then all you do is submit review, and it'll say review submitted. Now you can see I've actually submitted this review more than once. And from here you need to take a screenshot. It's going to have your first name and last initial and the date. Take a screenshot and submit the screenshot in Canvas. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You won't see, or other people won't see your review right away. Your review will come to me in an email or to Mrs. Perard in an email, and we will have to approve it. So, keep it family friendly, y'all. That's all. And go Deer.